Ever wished for a form that gathers all the info you need without making users feel overwhelmed? Well, the step form field is here to make that happen. So let's see how to add multi-step in the Paymattic payment form. Let's get started. You can start making it from an existing form, or you can just take a form. So let's go ahead and take a form. Okay, so after taking the form, simply type this to add the step form field from general fields. So this is how it's going to look like. So to add extra steps, just click the plus icon in the form. So now you can add desired fields in the step that you want. Once you've added the fields to a step, click next to proceed or previous to go back to the previous steps. And you can also edit step labels according to your needs. And this delete button over here simply deletes the step if it's unnecessary. So you can eliminate step fields by checking the checkbox option. That was the basics. So once you're done configuring, save the form. All right, so let's check it out from the front-end view. So as you can see, everything's pretty smooth. Let's move on to the next step. By the way, complete the required fields in the current step before advancing to the next step by clicking next, as any missing fields will trigger an error message below the form. And you're done, just like a breeze. That's how easily you can create step forms with Paymattic.